9,000 subscribers. Wow. Hey there, welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Today's video is brought to you by Gigaparts. Guys, if you're looking for anything tech, whether it be ham radio equipment, antennas, coax, computers, maker supplies, 3D printers, all kinds of stuff, go check out Gigaparts. They've got a store there in Huntsville, Alabama on University Avenue. But if you're not in Huntsville, that's fine too. You can shop them online at www.gigaparts.com. And if you use my coupon code HamShackTV, you're going to get double rewards points. So that's money off pretty quick. Again, that's gigaparts.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV. All right. So when I started HamShackTV back in August of 2024, I never imagined how far this channel would come in just such a short amount of time. What started as a passion project, a way for me to share my love for ham radio, has turned into a full-blown community of operators, preppers, weather spotters, and everyday people who believe in staying connected when it matters most. From live streams and interviews to exposés and storm coverage, every single video, every comment, every QSO in the chat, you have made this possible. Ham radio isn't just about equipment or frequencies. It's about people. It's all about all of you who show up and share ideas and keep this hobby alive. To everyone who has watched, liked, commented, subscribed, joined the Discord, or shopped my affiliate links, thank you. You are the reason I keep doing this. And we're just getting started, folks. There is so much more coming. New live streams, deeper collaborations, and a few projects. We'll see what those look like. 2026 is going to be huge. If you're new here, welcome to the Shack. If you've been here since day one, you're family. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Thank you for 9,000 subscribers. Let's keep this building. Let's keep building this community. One signal, one story, and one video at a time. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, again, I can't thank you enough. Please check out my affiliate links down in the description. If you're not already subscribed here, go ahead and do that. That'll certainly help the channel continue to grow. We've been working really hard. We're still working very hard to continue to grow this channel, and look forward to sharing more with you in the very near future. That's it for this episode, guys. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.